I've toured a lot of properties, but the moment you arrive here, you know this one is different. Rolling farmland in every direction, a peaceful farm pond, a barn ready for use, and a setting that feels private, scenic, and intentional. This isn't just a home on land, it's a lifestyle property that checks boxes most buyers don't even think to ask for. the kitchen, truly the heart of the home. Custom cabinetry, gourmet appliances, and an oversized island with a built-in breakfast nook make this space as functional as it is impressive. Natural light pours in from every angle, and the layout flows effortlessly into the dining area, making everyday living and hosting feel seamless. The main-level primary suite offers comfort and convenience, complete with a private bath and easy access to the laundry and mudroom. Upstairs, additional bedrooms, a full bath, and a flexible loft space provide room to grow, whether you need a second living area, library, or playroom. The lower level takes things even further, with a second living space, another fireplace, a full second kitchen, and walkout access to the heated pool. Add in a detached garage with office space, a full barn, a private shooting lane, and easy access to the interstate and airport, and you're looking at a rare property that offers privacy, luxury, and practicality all in one.